Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this subject has been a matter of discussion for a number of days now. Regardless it, Audiowack viewers and subscribers recently released its top trending reggae / dancehall artist on its platform for the week. And I still say dancehall shouldn't be / reggae. They should be reggae and dancehall as two separate categories, respected just like our respect ska. Now, Alkaline is at number 1, Jamil at number 2, Popcorn number 3, Mastica number 4, and Skilly Bang closing off the top 5. Now, recently it was Vybz Kartel at 5th, Chronic Law 4th, Mastica 3rd, Popcorn number 2, Alkaline 1. Now, viewers and subscribers, first and foremost, let me clear this. Make we clear up this right now. People want to know how this is being done. They must say Vybz Kartel fall off. First and foremost, let me tell you this. Audiowack provides a service where you can stream music. You can also, as someone who is providing the music that is streamed, purchase recommendations, viewers and subscribers. These songs or these artists are recommended, so people see them when them go up on the platform. Now, other than that, in which part of dancehall currently is Alkaline and Jamil more popular than Popcorn, Mastica, and Skilly Bang combined? No time. These artists have opted to purchase these recommendations. What talk about views? Someone put point down in the comment section. They are streaming farms, viewers and subscribers. Have you ever visited a popular movie site and noticed them say before you can watch the movie, you have to watch a 30-second clip? And ironically, sometimes it's a music video from the platform right here. These are how these songs are being viewed, viewers and subscribers. Don't get this confused. In which part of dancehall music are these artists more popular than Vybz Kartel? Some people can say, no, we are talking about the songs being streamed, songs that people are click, where people are listening to them, song them so hot, we are the memes. If them song them so hot on the internet, we are the reactions. Them say them songs popular with the youth. Me see the youth them a react to not okay. We are the reactions to them songs. Me see them put up a video them stand in front of one Lamborghini. We go Rolls Royce Phantom. You like a frightened the car? We have the hottest dancehall video on the platform currently. And that are not just our statements. Watch the video and see which other music video is as exciting as Our Girl right now. And if we are talking about an action pop music video, check out Tony Montana. When we talk about just recent releases, viewers and subscribers, in no way, shape or form is these reports accurate. And then again, Audiowack say this is from their platform. So they now say this is a reading on any at all of how the artist is doing in the genre. They must say how the songs or the files uploaded on their platform is doing. And as I said, songs that are recommended more will be looked at more. And as you can see, this is for just the week. Prior to that, the teacher was on the list. However, a raw fan support, strictly just support. And a years now the teacher show say, yo, just putting out good music. The fans, the fans can identify the fact that this artist is a creative and that artist is an artist who just have a vibe right now. Move a buzz. Big up Poppy and him use that. But people can readily identify the difference between artists. And some artists have, I don't know, picked up on that. Is a reason why certain artists don't change nothing about them flow and them style. while Vybz Kartel has chosen to reinvent his style and his image numerous times. Some artists say no, when the formula right, you not tamper with it. While other people have shown us that watch out, they can give them different variations. People like variety. The teacher has done so numerous times. There's no way that a true fan of dancehall music would have looked on an analytic report like this and say, oh, this is accurate. At no point in time we could have looked on it and say, oh, this is accurate. No way. Just a point that out. That's been a matter of discussion, or a topic of discussion for quite some time now. And we are saying no, we are going to address it. We are going to address it because people are pointing it out and people are saying, ooh, teacher fall off, the teacher. No. This has nothing, this is not a chart. This is not even a chart, this is a streaming platform. And while we're going to say big up all streaming platforms that stream dancehall music, this is nowhere where we are saying, oh, great. Yeah man, for all who are use the platform for stream the dancehall music and reggae music, use it, stream the dancehall music, stream the reggae music, support the artists. We are saying that their analytic report is because them are trying to create a certain dominance in another country, and them are present a certain format or a certain way of presenting and marketing artists. And the way them are market artists is through recommendation, and them are show other genres of music in the Caribbean diaspora. Say we can market your music to the masses, and we have certain ways of doing so. So I guess that's how them advertise the artists when they release things like top streaming artists. And I think other than the fans of an artist in particular, whoever is the top streaming artist only matters to the other artists who are either streaming in that category or top, are the ones who are not streaming in that category as the top artists. Because people are just fans of the music overall, regardless of who is streaming. We have some people who go listen to artists who don't really get exposure yet. They just like that raw art form where people just give them raw creative content. So you have different type of fans. So people don't really necessarily respond to a trend, worse if not for them artists. But platforms from time to time put out this so that artists who are actually in the category where them are put out and say, yo, these are the best artists, them can feel that the sense of accomplishment. Other artists who are not mentioned can say, yo, we still have things to work at. I guess this is the motivation when you see them put out statistical reports like this. But this one is very inaccurate. The one that we're not going to work with it. Dancehall, not going to work with this statistic report. The census, no, we're not going to work with that one. They have to do it again. They have to run the numbers again. And I suggest if they want it for, they want them platform to have any form of legitimacy in a dancehall, in the Caribbean, do the right thing. There's no way we can accept a chart currently. We want to see a Vybz Kartel pod. If I say dancehall, I want to say Vybz Kartel, we're not going to trust the chart. Then we're going to wonder the chart inaccurate. And we're going to wonder how far it inaccurate. Because we're going to say, wait, I could have won the chart I make. If you not have the teacher on it, and then have some other artist name, this couldn't be an accurate chart. This could never be an accurate chart. At no point in time, people are going to discredit it from them seat. There'll be nobody in agreement that I say, yo, yeah man, so the teacher never put out an art song. That when you ever hear the teacher not put out an art song? When has the teacher music ever been uploaded to a platform where people are rushed to go hear what the teacher say? I have never seen that. Dancehall has never seen that. And if they must say, I'm not now, no, I'm not now, because we still see the reaction on other platforms. Even other social platforms where people just get together for talk and, just all a vibe overall. We see everybody react to the teacher songs the same way. Not okay is still the most, that's right now we have the most memes. There's currently a challenge, but other than that, I tell you, say, yo, the amount of reactions and memes we see. We don't see nobody react to some artists. Some artists drop EP and nobody never know if them never tell you, so people won't even know. That's what we're talking about the recommendations. By the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified about all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as upon the platform. You know the sentiments, and for those who don't, I'll move settings spam. And until reason again, live, love, and prosper.